Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what happens if you don't hit your protein targets. Protein is a fundamental building block for nearly every cell in your body, playing a vital role in muscle repair, enzyme production, and hormone regulation. When your intake falls short, your body struggles to perform these essential functions, leading to a cascade of negative effects. We'll delve into the immediate impacts and the more serious long-term consequences of consistent protein deficiency. In the short term, not consuming enough protein can quickly manifest as noticeable changes. You might find yourself feeling unusually tired and weak, struggling with tasks that were once easy. Your muscles, which rely on protein for repair and growth, may start to atrophy, leading to a loss of strength. Furthermore, your immune system can become compromised, making you more vulnerable to common infections and slowing down recovery times from minor ailments. Over an extended period, the effects of insufficient protein become more severe and systemic. You could face significant muscle wasting, a condition known as sarcopenia, which severely impacts mobility and quality of life. Bone density can also suffer, increasing your risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Beyond these, you might observe changes in your appearance, such as thinning hair and brittle nails, and even experience impaired organ function, affecting vital systems like your heart and kidneys. To avoid these issues, it's crucial to consistently meet your protein requirements. A general guideline is around 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily, but active individuals might need up to 2.2 grams per kilogram. Focus on including a variety of high-quality protein sources in each meal, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based options like lentils and tofu. Small, consistent efforts can make a huge difference in maintaining your health.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.